Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing an instructional video of how to get rid of dried stains from your trim and your plastics. So as you can see there, I've got some dried wax from when I waxed my car on my trim and just want to get rid of it. So these, I'm sure as you know, can be quite stubborn, very hard to get rid of as well. So basically all I'm doing is just going over the stain with my heat gun and it's just kind of like burning it off. So you don't want to be heating in the same spot for too long because that'll melt the plastic and we don't want that. So as you can see, when I'm using the heat gun, I'm always moving it, just going over the little spots here where the wax may have gotten. So just getting rid of those. I guess this usually occurs when you're either compounding or polishing or waxing the car, that you could get these overspills of dried substance on your trim. So as you can see, another spot here, top of the number plate holder. So I'm just going to go over that with my heat gun and hopefully you can see that. So as you can see, it's getting covered up. I'm always moving the heat gun there. And look at that, good as new. So as always, thanks again for watching. If you please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me more than you can imagine.